Lee Jeffs, a local lad from Kilfynydd, was stuck in a rut, but thanks to the council street care team and the innovative Green Glencoch project, Lee's life has been turned around. We went along to find out more in a very windy Tanteg.
Because Glencoch has done a lot for me over the years, so I wanted to do something for Glencoch. So I got approached to it, and I wanted to do it then just to help them out and help the people of Glencoch because of what Glencoch have done for me over the years. I like to thank the council for giving me that security, giving me that chance for me to further on in my life to do more stuff with my children. You know, that's why I feel better, because my children feel better about me. So I like to, you know, just to thank everyone for putting me in a position that I thought I'd never be in, you know, because I was in a wreck, you know. It's just made me feel better. It's made me feel worth getting up in the mornings. It's, you know, just feel a lot better within myself and just doing general life. You know, I'm not hanging around no more. I'm not stuck in the house. I'm just feeling a lot better. We talk to a lot of people. We all talk to people, and you know, and I walk past, and some people say, you know, what we do is an hard job. It's not easy. We walk around all day, you know, so we making the place look better. And a lot of people to come on to us and say like we couldn't do what we do because of the types of weather we got to work. They do appreciate it. A lot of them do appreciate what we actually do.
For more information on all your recycling needs, visit www.rctcbc.gov.uk/recycling.